Uh-oh, somebody's in trouble. They didn't get their job done last night. Well, we'll get to this, won't we? Yep, the evidence is clear. Mama should not be left with this. Oh no, the horror. Morning of the big camping trip. We're going out this evening. We got a little bit of a baba breakfast going on. Joshua chose not to have eggs. Each their own. All right, here we are, all packed up, ready to go on our trip. You guys ready? Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. We found a roadside stop over here, the Black Sulphur Spring, it's called. Let's go check it out, guys. Let's go check it out. Put on your stuff. Let's go check it out. Come on.
We're too busy looking at it for sure. Stop recording me.
All right. The Black Sulphur Spring. Let's see. All right, let's go check out the spring. Do you smell any sulfur?
I don't know what sulfur smells like, so I can't. Why is that orange?
It's the Black Sulphur Spring.
That has oil in it.
Yeah, it's running low. Well, we are at drought right now, so if there's any water here at all is kind of something. Hey. Oh, I dropped off the truck back over there. Yeah. That's the toilet paper that we forgot on the truck, so don't want to forget that on the trail. But walking along Abrams Creek here. But it's a long walk from where you have to park up to the trailhead, so drop the kids off up there with the pack. Got it all together, so they don't have to do this walk. Here we are at the trailhead, getting ready to go out. Got our backpacks ready to go.
Hi.
Hey there. All right, Joey, let's get your backpack in. Sling it up there. Joshua, go ahead and sling them up. Oh yeah. If you need a hand, let me know. So I will give you a hand. Hold on, let me help you. Starting down the trail, got our backpacks. Joey's taking the lead. Got him going.
I'm glad you can't see me.
No, I can't see you at all. That backpack full of gear. Well, we're going to cross this creek here. Try to get across it, kids, without getting wet. Go nice and slow. Doing good.
Go down further.
You're
There's
fine.
more.
A little further over there. Joshua's doing good. He found a good line. He's trying not to get wet, too. He's doing fine. All right, we made it. Well, Baba hasn't made it yet. Let's see.
To be fair, Papa, you could probably step on that rock and then step over here.
Yeah. This is a pretty little thing. This is Kingfisher Creek, it's called.
I could probably do that for my life.
We just made it to camp. We found our place. Joey and Joshua all set up over here. Oh yeah. Got the bag set up over here. And I'm thinking that we're just gonna go from, let's say from tree to tree. And then maybe there's a tree over here. So I don't know. But right around campfire ring here. Got the campfire ring.
Purely nature.
Just us and
Purely nature.
purely nature.
And two guys over there.
Oh yeah, we are sharing a campsite. There's a couple fellows over, let's see, towards the sun. That they're gonna be over there. They said they have some other crew members showing up too. That they're gonna do something like a 2 or 3 day hike or something like that. They said they were going up. What was it?
I don't know. I didn't hear. I
It
was
was like,
busy undoing the latch.
Whoa. Now that's a lot of heat.
Can you feel the heat from the stove?
Kinda.
Can you smell it yet? Get down there and see. Careful not to kick it.
I'll bring it over here so moths go there.
Ah, yeah. Well, the light will attract the bugs. How's it
I can
smell?
definitely smell it. I'm just gonna try.
All right. Nighttime at camp soup.
Is that what we're calling it? Camp soup?
Well,
Oh.
brought out the Trangia stove. We got Joey. Get down there close. I can't see you. Get your head down by the top of the pot. Ah, big thumbs up.
Dinner.
Oh, I did. I heard your knee popping too. Poor fella.
We're making dinner.
Oh, Smoky Mountain Ramen.
So install Call of Duty Mobile. Not sponsored.
Oh my gosh, not sponsored. Ridiculous plug. And when you remove,
Penguins are good.
oh, that's gonna taste good tonight.
Install Adventured Communist.
What's that now?
Smells really good.
Oh, what do you think, Josh?
It smells amazing. It looks amazing, judging from the pot. And
Ramen in the middle of the night at camp comes from, well, yeah, but changes it to next level. Let's look inside. What do you think? Oh, look at that. Now we're talking. All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
All right, get your bowls out here. Keep them away from those flames because they're hot. All right, Joey, here comes some of yours. Joshua, here comes some of yours. Okay, I don't want to spill it on your legs. Careful, keep it out in front of you. So I don't spill it by accident on you. It's boiling.
Careful, stop tilting it.
Okay, that's
That's what I mean.
no, it's the splash damage.
That's what I mean.
Like it's splashed onto
All right, now hold on. Give me a fork.
fork.
All right, bring your bowls over here. Extra noodle time. Over the top. Noodle. Noodle. Noodle.
Knife.
Who's
No.
gonna blow that out?
Well,
Okay, that's good.
I can't blow that out.
you don't need to.
It won't?
Here's the story. With the Trangias,
Should I get my fork
all
back?
I need is, yeah, I'll give it back to you. I need to remove the pot lid, and then you take this, and it's a snuffer, and you just remove the oxygen. It's out. Bam.
Oh,
What do you think?
that's cool.
I'll say. All posted up. It did good night. Got the boys down in the hammocks. Chilling out in my own. Everything's good. No tarps up on anybody. We're just enjoying the stars. Watching tall trees above our heads. A whole moon and my stars. It is the next morning. We made it. Boys are still sleeping. And it's probably going on 10 o'clock in the morning now. Looks like some other campers joined us, probably this morning. Had a nice chat with the lads that were in the campsite last night. I think we got to get out of here by about lunchtime while the other campers are coming in for us, but it's been a great night, and both those kids are still dead asleep at 10 a.m. Must be doing all right. Or they got eaten by bears. Is there anybody in there? Must still be sleeping. Let's see what's going on over here. Anybody in here? I think this is the head end, somewhere in here. Oh, poor fella's got his pad over the top of him instead of underneath him. Nice camp in the daytime. All right, Joey, what do you have to say? First night in the Smoky Mountains in your hammock.
Kind of cold.
It was a little cold. Did you wake up at all last night?
Have a fizzy too.
Oh, because of me.
Yeah.
But the cold didn't wake you up or anything?
Not really, I don't know.
You just slept through the night?
Yes.
Okay.
I have to go use the bathroom.
I don't blame you. There they are out there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a million bathrooms. The little chick hatching from the egg. The butterfly emerges from the cocoon. How'd you sleep, Josh?
Good.
Yeah? What do you think about your first night in the Smoky Mountains?
Good.
That's great. I love it. Did you sleep warm?
Yeah.
You weren't cold?
Yeah.
Good,
Can you
good.
not film me too?
Yeah, okay. You know which way the bathroom is? Yeah, okay. You got it all packed up. Pack's ready to go. Camp's cleaned up. Everything's all set. What do you guys think?
This was a nice trip. I want to do it again.
Awesome. Joey, any words?
Not really.
Not really? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I love you guys. It's a great trip for me, too. This was one of my dreams. You know that. Mm-hmm. Goofball time. Show us that power drink. Show us the power drink. Commercial power drink. Come on. All right.
Not sponsored by Gatorade.
Ooh. I don't know if you can see this or not, but going down Cooper's Road Trail. Now, when I reserved the campsite, they did ask how many heads of stock I had with me. So, you know, I just said 2.
This the new trail?
Yeah, and we just go right back on down. Follow the horse. In fact, if you guys wanted to give him a little bit of space, it might not be a bad idea. Let's let him have his little walk, because it won't take him long to outpace us. Another switchback.
This is good because that way.
this switchback. I think we're pretty clear. Yeah, you see that's the road we're going to end up on. This hairpin turn. Looks like I missed it. Come here. What do you mean, oh man? Yeah, we missed it. You're like, oh man. Hoping I'll run over my phone.